on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making ground beef pepperoni pizza enchiladas. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2½ cups of pizza sauce, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 cup of chopped pepperoni. You also want to reserve some pepperoni for the topping at the end. 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 small onion diced, 1/2 of a red bell pepper chopped, 1/2 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 5 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and you're going to need 6 to 8 large flour tortillas. In a heated skillet, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. I'm going to add in my onion and my red bell pepper, and I'm just going to saute that for 3 to 4 minutes. In a small bowl, I just added all my seasonings. I'm just going to mix it until it's well combined. Next, I'm going to add in my minced garlic. I'm going to let that saute for 1 minute. Now we can add in our ground beef. All you want to do is go ahead and break it down and make sure it's mixed well with your red bell pepper, minced garlic, and onion. Now you want to let it continue to cook until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking all the way through, you want to remove all excess grease. Okay, now I'm going to add in my seasoning mix. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. I'm going to add in my chopped pepperoni and also my pizza sauce, the 1/2 cup. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. I'm going to add in my 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and I'm just going to mix it in until it's well combined. Then you can turn off your heat once all your cheese has melted. Okay guys, I have a 9x13 baking dish, and I sprayed it with some non-stick cooking spray. You can now set your oven to 375 degrees. Now I have my flour tortilla. I'm just going to take some of my meat filling, maybe about 3 tablespoons. Just going to put it towards the center. Now I'm going to roll my tortilla. And all you want to do is roll it over. You place it in your baking dish. Make sure the seam is down on the bottom of the baking dish. Now I'm going to continue to roll the rest of my tortillas. Okay guys, so I'm done rolling all of them. Now I'm going to take the remainder of my pizza sauce, and I'm just going to begin to pour it over top. You're done. You want to add your mozzarella cheese over top. Now we're going to begin to add our pepperonis. Next, I'm going to sprinkle my shredded Parmesan cheese over top. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning. Now you want to place it in your 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, look how nice this came out. It's been 25 minutes, so now I'm going to let it sit and cool down for a little while before I cut into it. Okay guys, look how nice and cheesy it is, and they taste delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?